Alright, I'm going to show you some multiplex passing, or that's two balls or more from the same hand at the same time. Alright, this basic pass throw is the split multiplex. The balls go to opposite hands. You use that to start a juggling pattern. You can also use that to go in and out of a shower. And then go into collars. So this is a split. The next pattern is called a stack. You're going to throw both balls. They're going to line up together, and you're going to catch them in the same hand. You use that to juggle 4 balls in a 3-ball pattern. You can also put, you can put split 10 stacks together. You can put split 10 stacks together. Into a 4-ball pattern. All right, so to recap, a split multiplex and a stack multiplex. If you put them both together, you can actually do a 3-ball start. You're going to throw 3 balls, 1 stacked, 1 split, go into the juggling pattern. And that's it.